guys, so we're going to show you the most popular sleeping style, which is stomach sleepers. You can see I got my hip stretched out, really out to one side. My neck is stretched out, looking over to the right and then over to the left, because nobody stays still when they sleep, they switch. So this can lead to lower back pain, upper back pain, and especially neck pain. So stay tuned, guys, and we're going to show you the other sleeping styles right now. Alright guys, so here's the next one, side sleepers. Now, a lot of you guys, like to place your knees nicely tucked together, your hand under the pillow. So when your hand's under the pillow, you create this torquing effect, kind of like overweight on your hand. It can damage your rotator cuff, and your knees usually collapse over one or the other, which pull your hip out of alignment. Alright guys, in order to correct your side sleeping, you find the pillow and place it right between your knees in order to cushion them, as well as cushioning your ankles, and put your hand right at the top of your head, if not right next to your face, and that's all it takes. Alright guys, so here's the worst sleeping position, fetal position. Now, usually you're really tucked in, your knees are tucked in, your hands are tucked between your knees, sometimes between your chest, and this causes problems in your hips, your legs, lower back, your neck, your arms. Just try to avoid it, because there's no pros to this sleeping position. Alright guys, so here's the arguably best sleeping position, back sleepers. Now, most people like to relax and just let their feet fall off to the sides here, which can cause problems down the line. So what we suggest is trying your best to keep them straight up, pointed right towards the ceiling. Now, another thing is people like to have their arms above their head or resting over their head. And what we suggest is sleeping like a zombie, or like you're in a coffin and having it on your chest, or just simply letting them chill out right by your sides. That way your biceps don't get too much tension. And if you have lower back pain, we highly suggest putting a pillow right under your knees. It's excellent for taking off pressure, and it feels really comfortable. So try this one out, guys.